Good morning mga sangka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hindi ko for today's vlog. We're going to church and Galaga. So,
Bibili namin ng
bye ba? So, for today's vlog, ay church muna tapos gala-gala mamaya kasi window shopping lang. So, for now, I'll show you our outfits. Look your outfits. So, my outfit for today is self-reward and then the cargo pants and then the sketchers from the neighborhood. So, this is our outfit check.
outfit check.
Outfit check. So, upo muna kami kasi
Wala pa yung trend namin.
Metro namin.
Sino ka mo? Chika.
Oo. Nakapants din eh.
Chika.
So, tada!
Ikaw yata niyan.
We're here at church. What? Huh? Magkakapi ka? Fellowship di ba yan? Bakit mayroon bago ngayon? Wala nang biscuit? Wala na? Ay! Sorry. Iba na, no? Pansit Abnera.
And in many ways it is, but we also experience this within the church to his friends. Let's get into God's words. That doesn't say it, right? Go and tell him his fault. It's one to address the negative thing, and you'll tell people, hey, there's a problem, guess what? And that problem, or invite someone over for dinner. I'd love to have you over to my house for dinner and get to know you a little bit. And then they Jesus. So I just come with that posture. My goal is us in the church. That's my goal. You gain a brother or sister, problem fixed. If they don't listen, then bring 1 to 2 others along. Where Jesus is going with this to forgive others. Peter came up and said to him, Lord, it's receiving what I don't deserve. Grace is a gift. The bread and the cup. To remember Jesus' body broken for us. Representing Jesus' blood shed for us.
Have you come to the end of yourself? Do you thirst for a drink from the well that is calling? New life is born. Jesus is gone. Want to sing along with me?
Tapos na yung aming church. Coffee time na. Magawa muna kami ng cookies. So, after church we're going to Algo Bible Station to get some space outside. Charot. So, nandito na kami sa Algo Bible Station. Tara. Bilis. Ay, para Naka-red naman na. They are in. Basta malapit sa bus station. Hanapin lang. Uy. Naka-red na dahil. Oo. Ay, nako. Sarado pa lang.
Offer ka mag-shop ka ng low price.
Oo.
Nag-offer siya of low price.
Kasi Ramadan, first day of Ramadan kahapon, kaya marami silang selling. Pero tingnan natin sa banda talaga.
Sila talaga sa ano. Dating
So for continuation may vlogging, nandito kami bumibili ng shawarma at chicken. Spicy shawarma. Ooh, ano yun?
Sizzling.
Yung, hindi pa luto.
Kaya siya dito talaga.
Di pa.
Sizzling ito.
Marami
Paraset.
kita nga to.
Paraset din. Spicy. Kalay na nga ni Lingkuranan.
Wala.
Oh, ito na 93 ako.
Ay. Wala pa yung shawarma mo? So, ngayon kakain muna kami ng shawarma. Kaya muna tayo. Eh, maganda yung ano nila, bread.
Garlic palandera.
Ay, magkalit ka? Kalit ka?
with rice to? Hindi. Ano kuya? With set? Ano yung meron? Ano pa doon? Ando sa amin na.
Parang mas masarap pa rin nandun. No? Shawarma. Mahal. So tapos na kami kumain, pauwi na ulit kami. Tapos kailan kumain ng shawarma mo?
Tapos na. O, meron na akong ano, blender.
Tamad ka naman mag-blend. Oo naman nautusan mo yan. So, sasakay. Sakay kami ng bus na pauwi ng mga Portimao.
Hindi ka na
Saan kayo dito? Dito ko na po tatapusin sa bahay yung aking vlog for today. Say hi to my sister.
Hello.
So, ayan. So, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. At mega love shoutout sa lahat dito na manonood at pupunta sa aking video. Comment down below. Tapos, pupuntahan mo din kayo yung bahay nyo. Anyways, thank you so much sa pag-suporta kay Inday Cookie. Kay Cookie. So, anyway, bye! God bless everyone. See you in my next vlog. Si bye ka muna.
Bye.
Bye!